Well, hey folks, this is John with Ozarks Backroads with you today. We've been out on another ride on the Tiger. We've been over in the Irish wilderness here in south central Missouri. We took the Tiger up along the Jacks Fork River from Eminence, Missouri, up to where the Jacks Fork dumps into the Current River. Beautiful ride along the river, about 10 or 12 miles and deep in the government woods. I invite you all to come along and check it out. We're out on the mighty Tiger today. We're going to try this road that I tried earlier this year, but we had high water and I just couldn't get through on it. I got a rider with me on a Super Tenere. He's going to follow along. We're going to see if we can get through this road. It runs from Alley Springs all the way to Eminence, Missouri. And then we're going to jump the highway at Eminence, Missouri and continue on to up the river all the way to where the Jacks Fork River empties into the Current River. They call it Two Rivers where that happens at. But we can take this road all the way up there, so it should be a pretty interesting ride. All right. Made her across there. Whew. All right. We got her in off-road mode now. That's kind of cool. Little bluff there. So yeah, we're out on the Tiger today in the Ozarks, Alley Springs, Missouri. We're riding from Alley Springs, Missouri over to Eminence and then on up to Two Rivers where the Jacks Fork River dumps into the Current River. I don't know how far it is along through here. It's probably 12 or 15 miles. But it'll take a while. It's going to be slow going. I'm sure we're going to want to stop and take some pictures and fly the drone. All the important things. Uh-oh, this does not look good. Well, this road just may not be meant to be. I didn't even bring a hatchet or a chainsaw. I'm not looking forward to them boulders again. We gave up on the track from Alley Springs to Eminence. Had a tree down, couldn't get through, so we decided to come around to Eminence and continue on towards Two Rivers. I'll put this track up where you can take a look at it, but it's starting to look pretty good. It kind of runs along the river and runs through the national forest land most of the way, so it ought to be pretty good. So hopefully there won't be any trees across the road on us here. I can almost hear banjo music playing if you listen real close. Oh yeah, here's the river. And this is the Jacks Fork River over here on the right. There's liable to be some boulders in the road here. Yep. How come the road is always so bad when it gets pretty? Get into the pretty country and the road goes to shit. What's going on there? And more knobby rocks. Got horse trails. You want to ride that horse trail? No? Might be some big rocks. We have a unanimous vote of no on the taking off in the woods and riding the horse trails. There's the river right over there at the big bluff. This the right way? We don't know. Oh, we're not that far.
No, just keep staying right.
Yeah. All right, I don't think we're too far from, maybe another mile or so from our destination here, maybe a mile and a half. So the road kind of runs off of the maps. The maps quit. Google Maps, a lot of these trails and stuff like this, they map them, they image them from satellite. So when it gets rough, you get into a lot of timber like this road, it can't see the road if it's imaging in the summer when the trees are leaved out, and it'll just say the road ends, it gives up. But actually it don't, it goes on. I was able to see on the satellite that this road, it went up to where the two rivers converge. It is under timber, it is under tree cover, but I was able to make it out. Nope, this is wrong. I've got to get turned around here. Well, you know, if I'm not lost, I'm not doing it right. We are definitely on the side of a mountain right here. Not a good place to have a problem. Might not get anybody to come help you. Pretty sure I don't have a cell phone signal either. Yep, we're turning into a goat trail for sure. I'm pretty sure we've went way past where the rivers join. We're heading up along the current river now, following it up north. Oh, here we go. Finally, some river. Oh man, long time getting here, I can tell you that. I think we kind of went past where the rivers join. We'll take a look at this place here. Finally made it down to the river and got the drone up. Got some nice footage. I think I inhaled a mosquito. So now we're going to head back towards Eminence. See if we can navigate this trail one more time. Uh-oh, there's a Jeep. He's going to pull over for me. That's mighty nice of him. Thanks. Made it past that guy. He probably had the plague. I didn't want to have to talk to him. Yeah, we're back in here where Jesus lost his shoes. We may run onto him here before long. Well, there's a little stream running into the river right there. Howdy! Not a good place to meet traffic on. Oh, this is beautiful. Yep, got some canoers coming down the river there. Really pretty. There's a lot of pretty places over around Eminence, Missouri. A lot of forest land. It's all forest land, and got these kind of roads everywhere. I've only been on a handful of them, but I'm in no hurry. I've still got some time. We're going to run back into Eminence here. We passed a little Mexican cantina, and I saw some real authentic Mexicans inside. I thought, well, that's probably a good place to eat. So we're going to check it out and see if it's a good place to eat. I hope they got an air conditioner. I'm ready for an air conditioner. That's kind of high on my list right now. Take a look at this bluff out over the road. They've kind of carved it out a little bit to make a road under it. That's pretty neat. See if we can get down here without hurting ourselves. Oh yeah. Pretty nice spot right here. Good place to eat a sandwich. Have a cold one. Take a break. Here it is. Dos Rios Mexican Grill. Whew. All right.